Good morning, children. Today we are going to read a story. Tell me one thing, how do you feel when you get a new dress or a new toy? How do you feel? You feel very happy and you are excited by seeing new toys, new dress. So today we will read a story of a boy whose name is Manu. So let's read. How does Manu feel when he get a new raincoat by his parents? So let's start the story. The name of the story is The Red Raincoat, which is written by Kiran Kasturia. On Sunday, Manu's parents gave him a new red raincoat. Manu asked, "Ma, may I wear it now?" So his mother replied, "No, no, my dear. The rains are near. You will wear it on rainy day." Next day is Monday. Monday was a bright and sunny day. So Manu asked from his mother, "Mummy, will it rain today?" "No, Manu, not today." So he asked his mother, "Can I wear the raincoat?" So his mother replied, "No, if you wear your raincoat, you will look funny." Now, next day is Tuesday. On Tuesday, the sky was blue. Now, Manu asked from his mother, "Ma, when will my wish come true? When I can wear this raincoat?" So his mother replied, "Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky. So today you cannot wear this raincoat." Now the next day was Wednesday and it was a very hot day. "Ma, why doesn't it rain?" asked Manu. His mother replied, "Son, I think it will rain very soon. Maybe even before it is noon." So his mother said, "I think maybe in the evening time it can rain." So after that, on the next day was a Thursday. And on Thursday, Manu went on a picnic. "Ma, what if it rains?" So he asked from his mother, "What if it rains? Shall I take the raincoat with me?" So he asked from his mother that, "Can I take the raincoat?" So his mother replied, "No, my dear, it will not rain today." Why? Because the little white clouds are too high in the sky. So today it will not rain. Now it comes Friday. The next day was Friday. Friday was cloudy. There were heavy and black clouds in the sky. "Ma, will it rain today?" asked Manu loudly. So his mother replied, "Yes, it might, my dear. There are some dark clouds low down in the sky. So maybe it can rain today." Now the next day is Saturday. And the voice came, kaboom, badaboom. Saturday began with a bang. So Manu asked from his mother, "Ma, Is that thunder I hear? Thunder is a loud sound which we hear after lightning on a rainy day. So he asked from his mother, will it rain very soon? And at last it started raining. Now finally on the day of Saturday, it started raining. Oh, it's raining, it's raining. Manu, he ran out of his house and started singing, oh, it's raining, it's raining. But Manu called Ma. Manu's mother called him, but Manu running after him, you forget your raincoat. But Manu didn't hear. He was running out to play in the rain, and his mother, she was running after him, calling that you forget your raincoat. So finally on the day of Saturday, rain comes. So this was the story about Manu. Manu's parents gave him a red raincoat and he was very excited to wear it. So daily he was asking from his mother that, Ma, when I can wear it? So his mother was replying that you can wear it on rainy day. And the day when it rains, he forgot to wear that raincoat. So my dear children, you will listen the story and you will read it from your notebook. A red raincoat.